Good mighty morning, Owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Wednesday, May 12th, 2021. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one, indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IDSL Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here's some amazing things that happened yesterday. Our 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade scholars rocked it on their STAR and end of content exams. Nice job showing strategies and making sure improving your answers. Now today, one other thing I want everybody to remember as they are taking tests and preparing for their next grade level, make sure also that you pace yourself. What does that mean? That means take the time to make sure that you have enough time to do the whole test or complete your whole independent work, but also don't rush through it. Take the time to make sure that you know what you're reading, what you're working out, and show your work. Also team, make sure that every day you come to school. It is super important to come to school every day. We can't wait to see who our May attendance winner is going to be. So make sure and come to school every single day. All right. It is a great day to learn. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the classroom. Hoot, hoot! Bye, Miss Cavazos and Miss C. Ramos's class. Have a good day. Hoot, hoot!